the Data Science and A.I lecture series. I am Bindeshwar and today we will explore the fascinating world of the subjective approach to probability. This approach is particularly useful when data is limited or events cannot be repeated under identical conditions. So let's get started. Subjective approach is basically based on personal judgment, intuition, wisdom and expertise, and it is used in situations where events do not occur at all or events occur only once, and repeated trials under identical conditions are not possible. Probability is interpreted as a measure of belief or confidence in an outcome. Example, a teacher estimates the probability of a particular student achieving the first rank in a test as 0.99. The same teacher estimates the probability of another student failing the test as 0.05. Subjective probabilities can vary between individuals due to differences in perception, experience, and biases. Even with identical knowledge, two people may assign different probabilities to the same event. So, subjective approach is very different from others. Hope you have understood. And for more resources and video, you can visit PostNetwork Academy website, YouTube channel for playlist and videos, Facebook page for a posts and videos, LinkedIn page. You can connect a PostNetwork Academy. So hope you understood the subjective probability. This is one kind of probability approach, or you can say that like classical probability, relative frequency approach. This is one of the probability approach. In the upcoming video, I will explain you axiomatic or modern probability approach. So thanks for watching the video.